In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Photos with friends and family if you want to send memories, vacation pictures, or family albums to other people. Google Photos gives you a few simple ways to do it. Depending on what you need, you can share a full album, create a link, use partner sharing for ongoing access, or send individual photos directly through the app. I'll walk you through each option so you can choose the one that works best for you. To start, one of the easiest methods is sharing through an album. Open Google Photos, go to your collections, and select an existing album. If you haven't made one yet, you can create a new album first and add the photos you want to share. This option is especially useful when you want to keep multiple pictures organized in one place instead of sending them one by one. Once your album is ready, press the share button and choose the option to get a link. This creates a shareable link that you can send through messaging apps, email, or any other platform you prefer. It's a convenient way to give several people access at once. Just keep in mind that anyone with the link may be able to view the album, so it's a good idea to share it only with people you trust. Another option is partner sharing. This is ideal for spouses or close family members who want seamless access to each other's photo libraries. Partner sharing is more useful for ongoing sharing rather than sending a single album. If you regularly want someone else to have access to your memories without manually sharing each time, this can be a very practical setup. You can also send photos directly through Google Photos itself. To do that, select the image you want to share, then tap the option to send it in Google Photos. This method works well when you want to quickly share a specific photo or small group of photos without creating an album. After that, add the person you want to send it to by entering their name, phone number, or email in the sharing field. Once selected, you can send the photo directly to them inside Google Photos. This makes the process feel more personal and direct, especially for one-on-one sharing. As a quick tip, before you share anything, take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct photos or album. That small check can help you avoid sharing the wrong images by accident. And that's how to share Google Photos with friends and family using albums, links, partner sharing, and direct sending inside the app.